Hello. So today we will go through the question on the surface area and volumes. So it is dealing with volume of cylinder and sphere, interference of both cylinder and spheres. So the question is given to us that a cylindrical jar is there which is of radius 6 centimeter. So a cylindrical jar is there. A cylindrical jar is there of radius 6 centimeter. Now, it is given that iron spheres each of radius 1.5 centimeter. Iron spheres each of radius 1.5 centimeter are immersed in the oil. Means it has oil in it. This jar is having oil in it, and the cylindrical spheres of radius 1.5 centimeter are immersed in the oil. So it is asking that how many spheres are necessary to raise the level of the oil by 2 centimeter. So what it is saying, how many spheres which we will put into it. How many spheres we will put into it so that the level of the water will rise by 2 centimeter. Means after spheres are immersed in the oil, the level of oil will rise, and the level of oil rises by how much? 2 centimeter. So it has asked that how many spheres we have to put inside the oil. Now look, so we have two cases. One is a cylinder, so its radius is given as 6 centimeter. So RC be the radius of the cylinder, it is given as 6 centimeter, and let H be the initial height of the oil. Initial height of oil inside cylinder. Now for sphere, what we have, the radius is given as RS is given as 1.5 centimeter, and it has asked how many spheres are necessary to raise the level of the oil by 2 centimeter. So we require x numbers of spheres. Now look, what is the volume inside the cylinder before we put into the spheres. So let us calculate the total volume. So total volume is equal to volume of cylinder plus we have volume of sphere. So how many spheres we put into it? We put into it x numbers of spheres. So x into volume of one sphere. Now the total volume is also nothing but the volume of the cylinder. So if the original height was h, the new height will be h plus 2. So total volume will be pi r square into total volume. Now new volume will be h plus 2. Height is h plus 2. Volume of original cylinder was pi rc square into h, original height, and the volume of one sphere will be x into 4 by 3 pi rs cube. Now look, when we take it here, pi rc square becomes common, and we have h plus 2 minus h, h plus 2 minus h is equal to x into 4 by 3 pi rs cube. Now pi cancels out. What we have? Radius of cylinder is 6. So 6 square into h cancels out. 2 is equal to x into 4 by 3 rs is 1.5. 1.5 into 1.5 into 1.5. Now we can cancel it out here. X is equal to 6 into 6 into 2 whole divided by 3 will go up, so into 3, 4 will go down, so divided by 4, this will go down. 1.5 into 1.5 into 1.5, so 2 2 ja 4, 2 into 3 6, 1.5 into 2 is 3, again 1.5 into 2 is 3, and again here we have 1.5 into 2 is 3. So what we get? X is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which is nothing but 16 balls, 16 spheres. So to raise the volume by 2 centimeter, we need to put 16 spheres into it. Now look, in shortcut you can do like this. So you know that the only the spheres are creating the difference in the volume. These spheres which we put into it are creating the difference in the volume. So x into 1 sphere 4 by 3 pi r s cube is nothing but the difference of the original volume of cylinder to the new volume of the cylinder. So it will be pi rc square into difference in the height. What is the difference in the height? It is nothing but 2. So directly you can take this and solve the question. Thank you.